Let's take a look at this problem. We got 8x squared minus 32x plus 32 equal to 0. Now we want to use the zero factor property to solve this. Zero factor property says get 0 on one side. Well, we already have 0 on the right side, so that's done. Then we want to factor the other side. Well, these all have an 8 in common, so I can factor that out. And that gives us x squared minus 32 divided by 8 is 4. So minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Now we're looking at what's inside of the parentheses here, and this will be PSD. Why is it PSD? Because we have an x, no number in front of the x squared. With the PSD, we take the number at the end, the 4, and we're going to come up with our 3 columns. The P column, all the products give us 4. We got 1 times 4, 2 times 2. The sum column, 1 plus 4 is 5, 2 plus 2 is 4. Difference column, 4 minus 1 is 3, 2 minus 2 is 0. Now, the number we're looking for is a number in a middle term, which is 4, which is right here, which means we're going to use 2 and 2. 8 carries down, and we got x, 2, and x and 2. Now, our larger number in the P column, and there is no larger number because these are both 2's, but our larger number in the P column we're using, so I'll pick a 2, is always going to be the same sign as the middle term, which in this problem was negative. So I'll make one of those 2's negative. Now, the number I circled is in the S column. S for same signs, so if this one's negative, this one has to be negative. Now, zero factor property. It says you get 0 on one side, you factor the other side, you're going to set each factor equal to 0. So I'll set 8 equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0, and x minus 2 equal to 0. Now we're solving for a variable. You notice 8 equals 0 doesn't have a variable, so we don't need to worry about that. You actually never need to worry about setting a number equal to 0. And also, you notice how these are both the same. They're going to give us the same answer, so I can cross off that one. So if I solve this one, take the negative 2 over, we get a positive 2, so our answer is x equals 2.